Figured you'd just run out of things to say, like you sometimes did in the dead of the night. Thought for sure we'd be just fine come morning, but the cracks of early eyes, I stumbled out of the bed and through our apartment, called your name out twice. Where'd you go, darling? And I guess you don't know what you're doing until you've done it too much. And the best that I had to offer was never gonna be quite enough. You spent one too many mornings just a choking down this town. I guess your reasons for not leaving just ran out. In the drawer by the kitchen sink, there's a cracked coffee cup and a picture of you and me. Yeah, that always was where we kept the broken things. So I fumbled through the mess, old triple A's and a half pack of cigarettes, touched every lonely key like the beads of a rosary. And I guess you don't know what you're doing until you've done it too much. And the best that I had to offer was never gonna be quite enough. And you spent one too many mornings just a choking down this town. I guess your reasons for not leaving just ran out. Just a choking down this town. I guess your reasons for not leaving just ran out. I guess your reasons for not leaving